in Pennsylvania, guys. I miss the big river. Oh, it's beautiful.
I believe that's the Rappahannock River.
There it is. Ooh.
Got somebody paddling in there.
Yeah, I see him.
Kayaking, maybe?
Yeah. Just remember, don't swerve off the road. We hit a bird the other day.
Who did?
Me and Maria.
Alright, I'm going to stop at Mansfield just so I can show you where I went to college. Although,
I'd rather just
2
keep
miles,
going.
take exit 183 toward US 15, business.
it'll just be a drive-through because it's a very small town. I mean, it's a little bit larger now than it was when I went to school there, but like the dorms that I lived in, they've knocked those down.
I'm sure they probably had asbestos and lead and every other carcinogen known to man in there.
They were actually new dorms when I was there. What are you doing?
My foot, that's all.
Is it sleep?
No. Just pain. Rather inexplicable, actually. Maria and I believe we both have, I have nerve damage, but there's the test for nerve damage involves getting, I think, yeeted in the leg with a big needle, and I was like, yep, I guess we'll just never know. I mean, yes, it feels like bugs are crawling up and down my leg, and yes, it does feel like electrical needles are stabbing me, so I'm pretty certain it's nerve damage, but, you know, hey, we'll just never
In a half
find
mile,
out.
take exit 180.